Kiko.
Hi.
Very nice to meet you.
Me too.
We are delighted to be in your beautiful restaurant, and we are very grateful that you have participated in our first hospitality magazine. I'm going to hand over you the first copy.
Thank you.
And it's beautiful. It's restaurants and all kind of hospitality disciplines from all over the world using OFYR. I have a couple of questions I would like to ask you on OFYR. The first one is, how are you able to use it in your concept? You are a high-end 2 Michelin star restaurant, and how are you able to use something simple as this?
Yeah, for me very important to start like this outside the restaurant, because we are appreciated the landscape, and for us it's very interesting this take of fire, no? in the food. And the first time when the guests come to the restaurant and take something, for me it's very interesting, especially outside. And we are a live show cooking outside is very important.
Sure. And what do you think in general about outdoor cooking versus what you do in the kitchen?
Now in this moment I think it's very appreciated for everybody, no? And of course make something outside with this OFYR is very important and very appreciated now.
What is for you the added value of the OFYR cooking device? What do you especially like about it?
Because for me the fire is very primigenian, you know, the oldest, the ancient, the first time we start to cook around the fire, no?
Yeah.
And now we are cooking around the fire. For me this is the principal feeling about this.
Yeah, I can imagine. Well, thank you very much. I'm going to show you your page.
Yeah.
This is really very pure. It was a huge fire.
Because normally the paella, when they make the fire,
it's low.
You know, and the back is
sure.
And now we are take the position, the good position to make the paella. It's not very nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you're going to enjoy it. We even have a recipe with paella from Japan in it. So it's very international, and it's a nice inspirational magazine.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.